We had a volunteer group working with a stonemason to restore the walkways in our terraced walled garden that was first built in 1914 by Delano and Aldrich.
I love visiting museums like this, and I'm kind of interested in historic preservation. I was looking for a volunteer opportunity where I learn a new craft. We're using sort of an old technique, which is called galleting, and we're inserting stones in between the joints for the stones on the pathway, and it's coming out pretty nice. Thought it was a great way to help out the city I live in.